Sit. What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Today I have for you, where is it? I picked these bad boys up. These are pre-cut taillight overlays from a website called JDMFV. If you can see right here, my tails are pretty plain ever since I got them from the factory. I try to stay, I didn't want to black them out or anything like that. Cops can be a hassle in New York, as a lot of you guys know. So what I'm doing is to match my color scheme with like the green, red, and black all around. This is neochrome, so it has that reflective type background. So I'll just show you guys a pretty quick install how to do this today. And the reason why I'm doing it, I didn't want to spring for Stubby Speed taillights, even though they look nice. There's a lot of companies that have them. I didn't want to spring for $500 to $1,000 on taillights. You know, with a growing family, you got to be a little more practical. So here we go. Alrighty, folks, things that you're gonna need are, of course, your taillight overlays. I put a little drop of Dawn dish soap in a squeegee bottle. You either need a heat gun or a hair dryer, some paper towel, and a tiny little squeegee to get the soap from underneath the film. And that's it. All right, guys, so jumping into this, what you got to do first, just clean down the surface of where you're going to be putting the overlays. Just squirt a little solution on there. Wipe it down. Make sure it's clean. Once you wipe it dry, I'll show you what comes next. Okay, once you clean down the surface, you respray the light with the soap solution. Spray your fingers down. The reason why you're spraying your fingers down, so you don't leave fingerprints on the sticky part of the overlay when you take it off the backing. Now, once you take the overlay off the backing and your fingers are all wet, line it up real nice. Once you line it up and you know where you want to stick it, you start pressing it firmly and start taking like a squeegee or credit card or something. I was using like a hard cardboard and just pressing the water out. Once you press the water out from the middle towards the ends, you start applying some heat, not too much heat, with the heat gun, and you just peel. And once it's stuck, just peel the layer off of the top of it and you're done. Also, if you have any bubbles, it's going to disappear within a couple days, so don't worry about it. Alright, guys, just pulled the Hulk outside. Check that bad boy out. Damn. And the freaking, that neochrome matches that green on the mud flaps too. It looks so dope. Beautiful. Simple install, guys. Shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. JDMFV, I'll throw the link in the description. Check them out. For $20, you can't beat their modification. It's real simple for 20 bucks. You can't beat it. It's freaking dope. Really, really nice too. Came out nice and easy. Yep. Love it. Alright, guys. I'll be seeing y'all soon. Peace.
Tell me all the ways you want me. I steady keep on pouring up as our views keep on corresponding. Emotions are bound to come. I can feel the vibes around.